Today we're making an apple donut cake. And look at this! We have merch! I know it's reversed, but it's whatever, it's fine. Just go in the link down below and you'll be able to click on the Redbubble link and be able to purchase this amazing apron that says so cheesy, so tasty, so good. Because we like cheese, we like tastiness, and we like good thing. Anyway, apple donut cake. Let's go. This cake was really delicious, but I made a mistake when I did it and it was really dry for me. So you can add a little bit more liquid in this cake and I would recommend it. I have adjusted the ingredient for it to be less dry and hopefully that's going to be alright. What you'll need is 2 cups of peeled and diced apple that you're going to put into a bowl with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're gonna mix that so that everything is well mixed and that the apples are fully coated with the cinnamon and brown sugar, and put it aside until it is ready to use. We have a few steps like this, so you'll need a lot of bowls for this recipe. I hate doing this, but it's required unfortunately for this recipe, but it was good. Then you're gonna do the topping. The topping is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You mix that properly again and put that aside for later use. For the cake, you're gonna need to beat with a mixture the butter and brown sugar. You need half a cup of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, and you want to beat them until it is smooth. Then while you're beating the sugar and butter, you want to incorporate the eggs. You're gonna need 2 extra large eggs or 3 medium eggs because you want this to be moist and not dry. So you want to incorporate the eggs while mixing slowly. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup and 3/4 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and a generous 150 milliliter of evaporated milk. I don't know if it makes a difference or not because I don't do baking, but that was the recipe. And you want to beat that until you reach a smooth texture. Mine was, you can already see it, it was really dry. So yours should be a little bit more wet than this. But we're still making a cake, so it's not like pancake batter, but more like muffin cake batter. Then you want to put half of this at the bottom of an oven safe container or a 9x5" oven container that you line with parchment paper. I forgot, but it worked out fine for me. But I would recommend adding the parchment paper in case of. Then you want to cover with half of the apple mixture, then the other half of the cake, then the other half of apple, and the sugar cinnamon topping. You want to put that into the oven at 350 for 60 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. While it is cooking, you want to do the icing. For the icing, you need half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. And you want to mix that until you reach a creamy texture. If you need more liquid, go for it. Just add a little bit more, but it's not, make sure it's not too runny. Then you put that aside and you keep that on the counter until the cake is ready. Once the cake is ready, it should look like this. The topping should be all crispy and it should be so pretty. It was really delicious. Look at this. Amazing. I hope you guys will try this recipe and tell me what you liked. And if you make some adjustment, please let me know so I can try it out. And I will be happy to hear all of your comments and everything down below. And remember, I have merch. Go down below on the Redbubble link and purchase whatever you like. Nothing is fine too. Just go take a look. Maybe something will interest you. See you guys next time. Bye!